So hey guys, in today's video we're going to do a local SEO audit for Butcher Shop. I'm going to send this potential client these audits. Shelby, I'll send these over to you once we're done here, but overall let's go ahead and dive right in. So it begins. If we look at your website, you are the Wagyu Stop Premium Butcher. You have this sliding image and everything. You have your pop-up over here for subscription. It's a very beautiful website. You are located in Butcher, Newport Beach. Wagyu beef. If y'all have never had Wagyu beef, you don't know what you're missing. I'll tell you that much.
Que bella.
Your website looks very beautiful overall and everything. Let's go ahead and take a look at some other things. You don't have, if you will, the typical is I want to pull in my GMB, right? I want to take my GMB and I want to pull in my Google My Business listing. I want to pull in as many testimonials as I can on the home page, etc. Right? So, depending on a few things here, I just want to look at everything overall. Because unlike most people, I don't look at things and just go, well, here's, do this, and everybody else, you know, everybody else does it this way, let's do it this way. You're a different style. You're actually a Wagyu shop. You're doing online as well. I mainly stick with local businesses, but you're also doing local delivery. So I want your GMB embedded on the home page, your text, if you will, of the reviews embedded on the home page.
Get her done.
Okay, I want a review section as well. I want a blog section. You have no blog at all on here, and I'd want that. I would want a location page on here. Location pages basically will be what you offer, plus it will tell you about the surrounding area, driving directions, things to do, places to go, notable neighborhoods. This is all pulled in from Google, and we do this manually.
Let's go for it!
Let's go ahead and look at using this plugin right here. I'm going to look at, if you will, your page insights for core vitals and see if you pass that. I'm going to look at a couple other things as well. Your title, your Wagyu beef store in California. But if I look at your headers, it just says the Wagyu Stop Beef Shop. You have 2 H1s, which, well, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 H1s. You only need 1 H1. Otherwise, you start confusing Google. You need it to say Wagyu or Wagyu Beef Newport Beach. You know, that's where you're at, where you're trying to, if you will, drill down to and rank. You are passing your core vitals, but your performance you're failing at. No! Okay, so we need to get that to pass. You're failing on your performance, which you can see right here. We need to get that to pass. No! 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 Okay, so that's the first thing. We want to get that to pass. We'd want to take care of your on-page SEO, as well as your technical SEO, your page speed, etc. I have this report I'm going to email over to you, in which I go over all the technical details that you either need to fix or you can pay someone like me to fix it.
Shut up and take my money.
Okay, your online visibility is not great. Your on-page SEO is not good, and you're not passing your technical SEO. That being said, if in a 2.5 mile radius, 2.5 mile radius ain't that big for one, especially when you're wanting to deliver, but in a 2.5 mile radius, you're still ranking for Butcher Shop. You're ranking in the top 3. Now what we want to do is take those winnings and expand it 5 miles out, then 10 miles out, 20 miles out, okay? Depending how far you want to go out and be delivering to your clients. So we want to take care of that. If you wanted us to help you, seeing as you're in that specific area, your cost is going to be $800 a month, and that includes us managing your GMB, responding to reviews, getting you more reviews, getting you GMB photos, map stack, cloud stacks, all these other things. But overall, really what it boils down to is getting you ranking in a 5 mile radius, 10 mile radius, and so on and so forth.
All right, all right, all right.
If you would like to book a consult with me and actually get started, just go over here to speak to William and book a call, and we gladly help you out and get started with that. I hope this was informative, and we're going to send you these audits and these spreadsheets over. If you want my audit sheet, make sure to comment below, and I'll give you my audit sheet and the tools that I used in this video as well. You guys have a great day and be blessed.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitch and they cry, labeling me SEO black hat. I was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad bitch.